This is a quick new video because I redressed the surface of the stone, so I wasn't happy with the lap on it. This is a hard Arkansas oilstone. It is specific gravity of 2.6099, and that was determined via submersion method in the basin of water. It is lengthwise 8 1/16 of an inch, widthwise 2 1/16. It's 1 inch thick. On the black side, it doesn't pass light. On the white side, it passes light about that far. So it's fairly opaque. But it is hard per the specific gravity. It is lapped and chamfered on this side. I've rolled out a nasty chip that was on this corner. There's a little fizz of chips around the stone here and there. This could probably be dressed in a bit. One interesting thing about this stone is it has some mineral vein or something in there. I've really dressed the hell out of this, so it's nice and smooth. You can see there's a shine to them, but no, they're smooth. Anyway, hard arc freshened up the lap a bit, that's all.